at least I won't be humiliated in front of millions of bastards. My star shall rise in another sky, another universe. And tonight, I'm going to do the mural. Let's open a new series.
From the government to extend Article 50 for if it were unable to get Mrs May's Brexit deal through the Commons by February the 26th. Now the PM today rejected the idea that she could
whoa, that was close.
Vote on that. Just run the past me again. No, that was great. I want to know your view, if you would, please, on what we're talking about tonight. This, well, maybe it's the polarisation of politics, maybe it's the passion idea.
Yourself, or you change the place like Fergie used to change the team, and he's number two every year. Yeah, build a new team. I want to say thank you to Gary for his call, just looking through some more tweets and texts. Paul Cunliffe, humiliating to be a red these days. He needs.
Where are we going? Q Park. Fuck off. Q Park, 6-minute drive, south.
Starting route for Q Park.
Q Park. Yeah, follow this round.
Turn right onto Greyfriars.
What the f are you doing?
Red light. Yep.
What a f***ing tosser.
Dickhead.
What have you got? You're slowing down for? You get in front of me and you slow right down. I don't understand why you do that. In fact, someone's got so annoyed with you they've decided to undertake you. Marvellous. I like your truck. Better let us bus through then, eh? Shouldn't really have used the bus lane, it's a live lane now, so can't just duck in it, or I'm not supposed to duck into it.
Get off it! Stay off your phone!
Entering average speed check zone.
Is that a dog crammed into the back of that SL?
Yes. It's a big dog. It's like a husky
It's like
dog.
Oh no.
He's a really big dog. He's enjoying looking through the windscreen though.
Oh, he's having a whale of a time.
Oh, hello! That's
Hello.
a really big dog.
That's a big dog.
It's a Malamute.
No idea, it's just a big dog. Maybe a bigger car next time.
It's just literally resting. Oh, it likes the like that.
It's the first quad bike I've seen where it's actually got number plates on. It's probably actually licensed and insured. Took long enough, bloody hell. Oh, so you're the culprit who didn't want to move on from a green light.
This Wednesday, I'd have to check my mum, because my mum's always been there for me, no matter what I'm going through. Anything bad, she's always there. Anything good, she's always there. So it's unconditional. As soon as I tell her, she'll just be like,
Oh. Is it no longer an emergency?
Vitibiotics at boots, pharmacies and vitibiotics.com.
Does your newspaper appreciate we love our readers?
Nice one to drop off there, yeah?
Must have shopping vouchers and big prize competition.
Having a wee?
Having a piss. Oh, don't do it, don't do it! Oh, you twat. There's plenty of room for you to fit through. See? I'm doing it right now. Why are you veering onto the other side of the road? Okay, park man on the curb. You're going to slam your brakes on, okay. There's room to go around it. Your awareness is awful.
For miles at the roundabout, take the first exit and stay on A610.
Just strolling back from the pub and came across this. Oh dear. Untaxed. Oh no.
And then you have this battle with people, especially when there's a time, it says reserved from 7:30 for Pam from 7. She never turns up. Yeah, but that awkward conversation where someone turns up and they feel like it's their right, they're entitled.